Oh, tickle, tickle, tickle. Who's got big cheeks? Hmm? Who's got big cheeks? Wow, 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 wow. Oh, what are you trying to tell me, Hayden? Huh? Oh, ow. The hiccups? The hiccups are lame, huh? Let's get over them right now. Here, I'll teach you a secret. If you touch your nose, and then you touch your forehead, and then you touch each cheek, the hiccups go away. Holy oh, fuck. That'd be awesome if it did. Ding. Wow. Why don't you look at the camera, huh? Camera wants to look at you. Yeah. Hayden. Yeah. Oh yeah, check this out. I'm gonna go for the smushy, but it's not letting me. What are you trying to tell me, Hayden? You love Daddy? Daddy loves these cheeks too. Look at her, look at her.